Wagwan, Wagwan, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Briscoes Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make jerk chicken wings in the oven. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah. So this is the wings I'll be using for the jerk wings. Now I'm going to cut the wings them in the joints because I'm not using the tips. So I'm just gonna go like this. So this is what we're using. So you want to just make sure you're cutting the joints. So these are the tips. I'm not using the tips. I'm going to throw these in the trash. Okay, so I'm going to wash them with some vinegar and a lime. Cut that rawness off them, okay? Okay, now I'm going to drain them off. Rinse one more time. Okay, I'm going to start off by using my all-purpose seasoning. Just like that. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of my jerk seasoning. And let me know if you want me to make a video with the jerk seasoning. Going to add a little bit of grace browning just for color. If you don't have the grace browning, you could use gravy mustard also. Just a little bit, just like this, because we don't want the wings too dark, okay? So normally when I season them, I always make this sit for 24 hours before I cook them. But today, I just go put them straight inside the oven. Okay? Okay, my people, this is the sheet pan I'm going to cook them on. So I'm just gonna space them out just like this. So the heat could circulate, okay? That is it, my people. Okay, my people, now I already have my oven preheated at 400 degrees. I'm going to put them inside for 50 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes, I'm going to take them out and flip them over and then put them back inside for another 25 minutes. Okay, my people, 25 minutes since the wings in the oven. We're going to take them out and turn them over now. this. So now we just go flip them over just like this. Now I'm going to put them back inside for 25 minutes. Please remember, do not move. Okay, now time to take them out the oven. Look at this. Okay, my people, this is how my jerk wings them look when them finish. Well, nice and juicy. See that? Here you have it, my people, jerk wings. I list the ingredients in the caption, so check the caption for the ingredients. So now I'm going to half piece. Nice. First, my breast, I'm going to see inside that it say cooked very well. Look at that. Cooked to perfection. Have it with some jerk sauce. We need to make some more jerk sauce, my people. Look, jerk sauce actually finished. Look, fall off the bone. So good. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video.
Briscoes Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoes Kitchen and Spice.